In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cover art in Canva. If you're getting ready to release a music track, launch a podcast, or publish a digital album, your cover art matters a lot. A strong cover instantly looks more professional, helps your content stand out, and makes a better first impression on platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or SoundCloud. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, even if you have no design background at all. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up the right canvas, choose a solid template, add your own visuals, format your text clearly, and export a sharp final file. To begin, open Canva and head to the homepage. One of the most important things to get right from the start is the canvas size. Cover art for music and podcasts usually needs to be perfectly square, so you don't want to start with a random size and fix it later. Click Create a Design in the top right area, then search for album cover or podcast cover. From the results, choose the standard 3000 by 3000 pixel option. That gives you a high resolution square workspace that fits common platform requirements and helps keep your final image crisp. Once your blank canvas opens, move to the left-hand panel and click into the Design or Templates section. In the search bar, type a style that matches your content. For example, you might search for something minimal, bold, modern, or genre-specific depending on the look you want. Browse through the template options and pick one that feels close to your vision. Clicking it will place it directly onto your canvas, giving you a polished starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Next, it's time to replace the sample visuals with your own. On the left side, open Uploads and click Upload Files. Choose your high-resolution photos, artwork, or illustrations from your computer. After they finish uploading, drag your image onto the template. If the template includes a photo frame, your image will snap into place automatically, which saves a lot of time and keeps the layout clean. Now update the text. Click into the main title area, remove the placeholder wording, and type your track name, album title, or podcast title. Keep the main title large and easy to read, especially since cover art is often viewed as a small thumbnail. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust the font, size, and color so everything matches your overall style. Then edit any secondary text, such as the artist name or show name, and make sure it supports the main title without overcrowding the design. Before exporting, take a final look over everything. Check that your text is aligned neatly, your important elements are not too close to the edges, and no placeholder content is still visible. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for strong image quality. Confirm the settings and download your final cover art. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional cover ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.